This is the book that we are going by. Lettuce for tacos. So much basil. We have sweet potato. It is a healthy potato that we can eat. It mimics half and half so much, but it's just nice that there is a 4-week plan. Good morning, everyone. I just finished a Peloton class. It feels good to be back to my Peloton app. It's been a while since I've used it. I love cycling. Spinning is amazing and I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to be working out because unfortunately we got some bad news at the doctor. Cholesterols are high, as well as for me, a little bit of my sugar is high, which is not good. Because I had gestational diabetes, I knew there was a higher chance of me developing diabetes. The 3-month diabetes number was fine, but my overnight one was high, which means I need to watch what I eat as well as work out to lose weight because it's no bueno. My cholesterol was also right on the border. It was 200 when it was supposed to be 199, and then the LDL cholesterol was at 122 when it's supposed to be, I believe, below 100. So it was right there at the border, but it's just an excuse really to work out and get fit. I have been so not active the last 4 years because of all my pregnancies that it's time to just get working out, you know? I need to get back in shape. My goal is to lose 30 pounds. Right now I weigh 155 and I'm going to try to lose and get to 125. Ideally, I would like to build muscle. So that's why I feel like a 125 is like a good number because I could always lose more weight, but I feel like 125 is gonna make me at least build some muscle, and muscle weighs a lot. So I am looking nice and shiny. I'm part of the Red Tomato Face Club. Our baby officially moved out of our bedroom, so that also helps us get up earlier because before she would sleep in and then I would sleep in with her. So this at least is forcing both of us to get up early and work out in the morning because in the evenings it's just way too hard to work out. Let's be real. Once the evening comes, it's like game over. You're tired, the kids want to play with you. They're just all up, so it's just very difficult. So unless we go outside and walk long distance somewhere, we don't work out. So this is the perfect excuse and the perfect opportunity for us to just work out. Baby is waking up right now, so I gotta bring in some groceries that I got from Walmart and bring her down because she's officially awake just in time for me to finish my workout. So couldn't have planned that any better. Cannot express how amazing it is to have your groceries delivered. This is not an ad. I know a lot of people advertise Walmart, but honestly, it's the best thing ever. It's game changer. I don't ever go to the grocery store. Just order everything online, have it delivered next day. Don't have to tip if you are part of the Walmart membership. So I definitely recommend it. There is same day delivery, but that one you do have to tip. So usually we just do the next day and you can get it delivered between 9 or 1, or there is also like an evening time slot that they deliver, but it's awesome. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I do want to show you what exactly is it that we get from Walmart. First off, we have here some yogurts for the kids. They like coconut yogurts. They do not like milk yogurts, so that's what we get. We got some bananas. I got avocados. This is the Khalifa Farms almond milk. We also have the Planet Oat. This is the unsweetened original. I get the kids croissants because they absolutely love croissants. Apricot is also a fruit that we can eat. We have celery for juicing. I love it for tuna as well, and soups. We have tomatoes, lettuce for tacos. So sometimes if we don't want to use the shells, we can replace it with the lettuce. We also got some mushrooms. These are great for omelets, and spinach, salads, omelets, juicing, smoothies, you name it. You can use it for everything. And then back here we have some sliced almonds as well as pine nuts. I got the pine nuts because, as you guys know, I have so much basil that I need to use that I was like, you know what, let's make a homemade pesto. And the pesto is something that we can eat with our cholesterol. We got some coffee. Normally we get our coffee from Costco, but we just haven't made a run yet. So since Walmart delivers, that's what we get. 2 strawberries, 2 blueberries. We got 2 bags of pears, which I did not want. I literally just wanted 2 pears of different kinds, so a total of 4, but I think they were sold out, so they just replaced it with the next best thing. And somehow they thought 2 bags was a good idea. But it's fine. We can make salads with it. We can put it in as a snack alone, as well as for the baby. I can make food for her out of this. We have sweet potato. It is a healthy potato that we can eat. I got light mayo to try to eat once a week with my tuna. We tried eating the tuna without mayonnaise and it wasn't the best. So I remember they do sell light mayonnaise and it works, you know? Just once a week won't hurt. It's all about balance, right? We also have in the back oat flour. Oat is something that this low cholesterol diet definitely wants you to eat a ton of. So I got flour to be able to make pancakes, you know, healthy cookies, etc. And then they also want you to eat barley. I've never eaten barley. They don't even sell it in the stores. And I ended up having to order this one from Walmart. Like they do third parties. So I got this one. It'll be interesting cooking this. Something new, you know, never had it before. I also got jasmine brown rice. You can eat brown rice, whole wheat pasta with this diet, so that's what we're gonna try to do. And we got some unsalted dry roasted peanuts. Apparently it cannot be salted for some reason. I don't know why. I think maybe because it has oil, too much oil in it. Who knows? And then we have avocado oil, which is a healthy fat. For the little tiny bit of, you know, oil that we need, we can use olive oil or avocado oil, just no coconut oil. Apparently coconut oil is really bad for cholesterol issues. I know it's good, but if you have a high cholesterol, you kind of want to stay away from it. We got pineapple. I saw this, I was like, why not? Grabbed it for some chicken dishes. I normally would like the whole pineapple, but I just know I won't eat a whole pineapple. And that was the next best thing. Over here, we have some snacks for the kids. They love eating raisins, so that is a great snack for them. And then they also like the Ritz crackers and then these club crackers. So these are just good going out snacks. Because when you're in a store and they start acting cuckoo, this is your lifesaver. We also got some whole wheat flour. This is great for pancakes and waffles. And then this side, we got some tortillas. Y'all, tortillas are life. I need them in my life. So I found out they have whole wheat. It's a good source of fiber. And fiber is what you need in order to kick this cholesterol in the butt. So we're gonna test that out. I also got corn tortillas and we have eggs. We buy the Walmart organic eggs. They're good, I like them. We are using way less eggs with this diet. We've been on it for a week now. So this is kind of like replenishing what we were, you know, finished with. But we used to go through like 3 of these a week, and now 1 lasts the whole week because you just don't eat a lot of eggs with this diet. Then we have more yogurts for the kids. We got some cheese strings. As long as they are part skim, you can eat 1 cheese string a day. And my husband is a cheese guy, so this is like, you know, something to help with his craving of cheese. So he eats 1 a day of these. Parmesan is another cheese that we are allowed to eat. I think it's just not a lot of like fat in it. And then we have little chicken tenders. I got 2 of these. We have mahi mahi fish. These are really good. I like making them for the kids with like a little bit of gluten-free flour, and so they love it. They think it's chicken nuggets, but it's fish. And then we have here some chicken breast. So that's basically all our food that we got. A lot of this is from a book that we're actually using. So let me show you this book. I know we have a huge mess over here, but this is life. This is the book that we are going by. This is the Low Cholesterol Cookbook and Action Plan. It had really good reviews. The recipes in it have been so good so far. At the beginning, it talks about, you know, cholesterol, like what is it? And it tells you what foods you should not be eating and what foods you should be eating. So I find this book to be really, really nice, and I love that it has a 4-week plan, and that's actually what we have been following. So at the beginning here, you see they have this plan, and it tells you exactly what you should be eating throughout the day, which is nice because you don't have to like second guess yourself. You can just follow this. A lot of meals I change or I modify with what ingredients I do have at home, but it's just nice that there is a 4-week plan. So this is week 2 for us. This is gonna be the next page that we're gonna be following. And also, what I really like about this is that it has an ingredient list. Like, look at this. How awesome is the fact that they have everything listed for you? So once again, you just go to the grocery store, or like me, you go on the website at Walmart, add stuff to your order, and you have everything. So it, you know, it says to check your pantry to see what you have. Then it categorizes by fresh produce. You have your eggs, dairy, grains, frozen produce, meats and seafood, grocery items, which is like baking powder, beans, nuts, you know, flour, etc. So I really, really like this book. I'll leave it linked down below. It's been working so far. And the recipes are delicious. Not a lot of pictures, I will say, but you get the gist of it. So for example, one of the breakfast is oatmeal. So today I have some oatmeal with a little bit of cinnamon, and we're going to add probably a banana because it's super ripe right now and I need to use it. And if you want, you can add a nut. So peanut butter works or almond butter works. I personally like almond butter, but my husband loves peanut butter. So it's a really nice breakfast. Now we also do have some stuff from the groceries that I ordered last time still that I wanted to show you that work. Obviously a lot of greens for salads. I have not touched this, so this week I'm going to tackle this and make salads with it to try to finish it up. We have zucchini, I got cucumbers, green beans back here. We also have some kale because the kids love making juices, so this one is a good one as well. We have our asparagus right back here. And then you have your typical cauliflower, broccoli, yellow squash, carrots. On this side, I have peppers, green onions. We love green onions. And this is the last of my celery. That's why I had to replenish my celery, as well as some tomatoes. I used a lot of tomatoes, so I had to get more tomatoes this time around. Back there we have some baby carrots. Those are good with a snack. And then you can eat Greek yogurt, so we eat that with fruit basically and a little bit of honey. And then you have part skim ricotta. It seems like everything has to be skim and you can eat it, but obviously in moderation. So we're definitely toning it way down because we used to eat a lot of dairy, like a lot. This used to be our dairy drawer and there's hardly any cheese in here. I mean, this would be full of different types of cheeses. We also are trying to cut back on the ham. Anything that's like cold cut has a lot of saturated fats, which is not good for you. So, well, it's not good for you with high cholesterol. It's delicious, but we can't really have a lot of it. So I'm trying to finish it up and then we're going to just not buy it again. Same thing with the feta. We're trying to finish it up. You can have feta cheese, but it just has to be the fat-free version. I believe there's like a fat-free or part skim, something like that version. And then this is where we usually put our tortillas. Now, we also got light sour cream. Once again, you just can't have it all the time, and really go by the portion control, because that's what sometimes just doesn't work out, is we do not portion control. We just keep pouring and pouring. But if you follow the portion control and you obviously don't eat it every day, it's fine. And I make my own oat milk, so this is where we are going to just, you know, store it. Now, one thing that we did have to cut is the half and half. And this so far has been a winner. It's the Khalifa Farms Oat Barista Blend. It is really good. It mimics half and half so much. I don't like adding almond milk to my coffee in the morning. Some people do, but I feel like the nuttiness of it just overpowers and my milk does not taste good. This one, I feel like it comes close to half and half. It's never gonna be exact, let's be real here, but I don't feel like I'm drinking something weird, if that makes sense. It's nice and creamy, it's thick, and it's oats, so we can definitely use this as an option. And then over here, I made some waters. So this is our sparkling water. We have a sparkling water machine that my father-in-law and mother-in-law got me for Christmas, and we do have sparkling through there because we were buying cans, but the cans are so bad for you that we moved to this. And this is a concoction of a water. So I have in here 5 strawberries. We add some mint to it as well as lemon, half a squeezed lemon, and it tastes so good. It's refreshing. It's not just plain water, because sometimes we get tired of the sparkling water as well as water. So it's nice to have some flavor. I really enjoy it. And then this right here is Flor de Jamaica. I don't know what it's called in English, so I will leave it right here on the bottom in English. But this one, you basically boil it, boil water, and then you add it, and you kind of create like a tea. And it's really good. It's not sweet, that's for sure. It can be bitter, but if you add water and a little bit of this, because this is pretty concentrated, it tastes really good. And once again, it's refreshing. It's different than water. This is my I need to throw away drawer. So these are so bad for you that these need to go to the trash. So I'm trying to finish them up, or if I don't finish them up soon, they're just taking up real estate in this fridge because this fridge is small, and it's gonna go in the trash. This is the mayo, same thing. It's a full mayo, full fat, so that one is gonna go in the trash probably. It's basically almost done. I only have a little bit left. And then at the top, I love this Primal steak sauce. This one is keto paleo, so it doesn't have the bad stuff. Love it. Can't recommend it enough. We have balsamic. Ketchup is another one that we're trying to not use as much. We still use it because ketchup is life, but it's something we are trying to prevent. And then this is the buffalo sauce that we like. It's made out of avocado oil, and it's also keto paleo, no dairy. It's really good. So this brand is amazing. I need to find a healthier version of barbecue. I mean, if you're from the South, you know it's hard to give up on barbecue. So let me know if you have any suggestions on barbecue sauce. I would love to know them, because this is something I have to find a healthy replacement for.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Walmart grocery haul. This is definitely going to be a long journey, so you can expect some what I eat in a day to lower cholesterol videos. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.